So let's go ahead and jump right into today's wig video. So this 14-inch HD lace frontal wig is from Ft.Bestlacewigs. Of course, this wig comes with a HD lace, a clean pre-plucked hairline, and it also comes with the entire front lace of the wig bleached. So pretty much, basically, I don't have to do nothing to this wig. This wig is going to give such a beautiful install, as you guys saw in the preview video clips at the beginning of this video. So for this 14-inch wig that has 180% density on it, I'm going to be doing a curve middle or curve side part. This wig also comes So now that I have showed you guys the parting space on this wig, I am going to now go ahead and work on this lace, and literally the lace is already melted into my skin, and I have not did any type of secure technique right now. So right now I'm just only using the holding spray to lock in my lace. The hairline and the lace on this wig is absolutely beautiful. Do you see how the lace literally blends into my skin? Like, you couldn't even tell I had on a wig before I cut the lace, and you definitely cannot tell now that I have cut the lace that this is actually a wig. So what I have done right here is just pull some of the hairs out around the hairline, primarily like below the C, where I can do like the big swoop or whatever. Y'all, this wig is so pretty. This lace and this hairline is insane. So I just absolutely love when companies take it upon themselves to really make their wigs a beginner wig install or a super easy wig install. Because one thing about this wig from Ft.Bestlacewigs is they nailed it all the way around. Look at how beautiful the lace on this wig looks. Look at how beautiful these hairs is going to blend into my skin. Like, this is just such a beautiful wig. Okay, so I am pretty much done like installing this wig. I've done my hairline, I've blended the lace, I've made sure everything looks super natural. Now it's time to move on to actually styling the hair. So the original texture of this wig is silky straight, and I'm just going to continue with that texture, with that style, and I'm just going to add heat by pressing out the hair. um, so yeah, that's the look that I'm going for with this wig. Is I'm just going to do a curved part with straight hair. I think that's super cute, and I actually love how my hair turned out. It's just like such a natural looking install. Like, this install is so beautiful. I had no idea this wig was going to be this gorgeous. I thought it was going to be like a simple, regular, straight lace wig, but it is so not. The wig is so beautiful and so natural looking. Now, I did go in and clip the ends because I'm just on this little situation where I like clip ends. I don't know. To me, it just look more clean. So that's why I'm clipping my ends. But anyways, let me finish straightening my hair and I'll be back to talk a little bit more about the hair. This wig is just absolutely gorgeous. Hands down, my favorite install in a long time. Like, look at how beautiful the hairline looks. The texture is amazing on this wig. So this was a perfect 10 out of 10. lace wig with a perfect install. This wig is definitely beginners friendly because I literally did not have to do nothing to this hair. No bleaching, no plucking, and as we know, that can be the two hardest things to do when it comes to installing a wig, to the point where you can mess up your wig if you don't know what you're doing, if you're bleaching hair or using um, bleach, or bleach to tint your lace or whatnot. So yeah, girl, this is definitely a beginner's friendly wig. And even if you are experienced with wearing wigs or putting on wigs, girl, get your hands on this wig right here. This wig right here is a game changer. It is going to draw so much attention to you, asking if that's your hair. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so natural looking because it's going to give that much. Like, such a beautiful wig. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have all the details below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.